Coronavirus, a name that has gripped the world in fear. All across the globe people are dying. Economies are crashing. But what is coronavirus or COVID-19? Are they synonyms? How is this disease different from what we have already seen, like SARS or MERS? Why is there no vaccine yet for COVID-19? How did it first infect humans? Let's attempt to demystify these questions in this brief video. In December 2019, there was a cluster of pneumonia cases in China. Investigations found that it was caused by a previously unknown virus. In general terms, we say it's the coronavirus infection. But actually coronaviruses is a subfamily of virus, that is, there are many types of coronaviruses. In fact, we already know a couple of the notorious siblings from this family. Let's go back to 2003, China. The world saw the outbreak of the first pandemic of 21st century, in the form of a disease called severe acute respiratory syndrome, or SARS. This ailment is caused by SARS coronavirus. Fast forward to 2012, Saudi Arabia, we witnessed another respiratory illness. This one is called the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, or MERS. This illness is caused by MERS coronavirus. Coming back to the present situation. Today, we are battling a similar respiratory disease originated from China, but which has spread through most parts of the world. This illness is caused by the 2019 novel coronavirus, or 2019 nCoV. Due to its close similarities with SARS coronavirus, it is also known as the SARS coronavirus 2. While that's the name of the virus, the disease it causes is called COVID-19. Here, CO refers to corona. V corresponds to virus. D stands for disease. 2019, as the year of discovery and outbreak origin. But why the name, corona? This word in Latin means, crown, or halo. To understand why this virus is named so, we need to take a look at its structure. The structure of this virus includes the genome material at the core, surrounded by an envelope of lipid or fat, with protein spikes which make it look like a crown. Right. So we have already seen SARS and MERS. Combated it well. And have vaccines too. Then why is it not working on 2019 novel coronavirus? The simple answer to this is, the structure of this virus is different from those of its other siblings. Talking with a bit of detail, this family of viruses is of single-stranded RNA type. Each of such viruses has a sequence of amino acids. From the amino acid sequence, it is found that for 2019 novel coronavirus, some accessory proteins, like 8A is absent, while some other, like 8B is longer, and like those of 3B is shorter, when compared to the amino acid sequence of SARS coronavirus. Well, that's the technical stuff. But why is COVID-19 causing more fear than SARS or MERS? Though SARS is more contagious and significantly more deadly than COVID-19, SARS is easier to control. The prime reason for this is that in SARS the infected people are not at their most contagious state until their second week of illness. The symptoms of SARS start appearing before then, they can therefore be quarantined before the positive patients are most risky. However, for COVID-19, positive patients can be more contagious, even before the symptoms appear. This means that anyone may be carrying and spreading the disease before one even knows it. Yes, the COVID-19 may spread undetected. However, it is often said that the mortality rate for COVID-19 is far less than some of the other viral pandemics that we have seen. Some numbers suggest fatality rate as low as 4 to 5%. Should we worry then? Let's consider this: the mortality rate is a percentage of deaths among positive patients. While the rate may be lower, because of the large volume of positive patients, the absolute number of deaths can be alarming. For example, Ebola, it is a disease having an average fatality rate as high as 50%. Ebola has killed approximately 11,300 people, a number COVID-19 has already surpassed. Okay. So 2019 novel coronavirus is the youngest member of the coronavirus family. A pertinent question here is, from where did this virus come? Scientists say that it is likely to be a recombinant of a number of different coronaviruses that are known. But how did the first human infections happen for COVID-19? Traditionally, sources of first human infections from different types of coronaviruses has been through animals. It is suspected that SARS came to humans from direct exposure to civets. MERS came from camels. There are many theories being speculated for how first infections of COVID-19 happened in the humans. Some suggest it came from seafood in Wuhan, while there are rumors of it being developed in a laboratory. The truth is yet to be testified. However, based on sequencing results of 2019 novel coronavirus, scientists believe in two possible theories. Theory 1, it has most likely traveled to humans from bats, maybe via an intermediate host. Theory 2, it traveled from pangolins to humans and then evolved within human body. The fact that 2019 novel coronavirus is a product of natural evolution is published in journal Nature Medicine. We sincerely hope you would have liked this video. Stay tuned for upcoming information on COVID-19. Stay healthy. Thank you.